Hi. I don't know if this is TMI, but this is like my third take, although it's much better than when I first started making these videos. I turned off all the AC in our studio, and this is typically what we do when we're making videos, just so that we get rid of all of that background noise. One of the downsides of doing that is it gets really hot in here. I don't know if you can see this, but can you see that? Like, can you see that? Like, I'm sweating right now. That's my commitment to you guys, to make these videos sound better. Anyways, doesn't matter. I really just wanted to hop on here and make this video, a very brief video, about something that I've been thinking a lot through. And it's this idea or notion of this pressure to create. I think that we all face this all the time in our lives, whether it's in our personal lives or especially as our jobs as creatives. But this is something as a photographer, the entirety of my career, I've struggled with. I've always felt like there's always this whisper in my head of, Gene, you're not doing enough, or you should do this, or your friend's doing that, or you should do this, or you should do it better. I think that it's okay and it's good to have this motivation to create, to go further, to have this volume of output. Output of volume? Volume of output. Yes. But it's also just as important to rest, to take time to have some introspection, to spend time with your family and friends, and to not always be on the go. That's why I'm making this video. For any of you who have felt that way recently, like myself, I really have felt that way in the past couple weeks, that all these ideas, all these things I wanted to make, all these YouTube videos I wanted to create, all this work I was going to get done, but sometimes life circumstances don't allow you to do that, and that's okay. You can't control everything. Something that I always have to remind myself. And this video is both for any of you who are watching this, but it's also for myself, that I can watch this video down the road and recall how I'm feeling in this moment, and to gently remind myself that it's okay to not always be on the go, to always be creating, to always be working nonstop. It's just as important to do other things in my life that are just as important. That's it. That's all I really wanted to talk about. And I would talk longer, but honestly, I'm just sweating more and more, so I'm going to stop it here. But if you find yourself in a position where you have felt like lately you have had this pressure to create, this pressure to work more, to like push yourself, to book more inquiries, to book more clients, to grow your business further, those are all great things to aspire for. Those are all great motivations. I just hope that you understand, and that I remind myself that it's okay to slow down at times. It's okay to rest and to enjoy life that's outside of creating. With that being said, I've been in a season of rest and I'm excited to make new things, but I'll make those things when it's right, when I feel like it's right, and not make those things just because I feel like, oh, I need to post a video today, or I need to post a video this week, or I need to like post on Instagram, or I need to work on my website, whatever that may be. So that's it. That's all I wanted to say. Hope for any of you who have felt like you're in a similar position as me lately, that this was a good reminder for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.